Hey guys, welcome back to SG Car Mart Reviews. Today you can see we're here at Aston Martin showroom with the Vantage V8 as well as the DBX 707. But we're not here to talk about those cars. We're invited down here to look at a hypercar, which is something that we're not featuring too often on our channel. So let's check it out. You can see from the signage here behind it says Valhalla, which will give you a little bit of a clue, but the car is still on the wrap, so can't wait to check it out. Now that they've unveiled the Aston Martin Valhalla, you can see the hypercar right here. This is a show car, one of only 2 units in the world. Now this unit will be in Singapore until Monday, so if you want to check it out, better head down quickly. Now this is a mid-engine plug-in hybrid and it is supposed to sit underneath the Valkyrie, so Aston Martin says it's a more everyday car, and it uses a Mercedes-AMG source 4-litre twin-turbo with 2 dual electric motors producing some 1012 PS, which translates to about 998 brake horsepower, doing 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.5 seconds. So you're gonna get in your everyday car and head to the supermarket really quickly. Now the name Valhalla refers to the warrior paradise in Norse mythology, also similar to its Valkyrie, kind of signifying its rise to new heights. Aston Martin says that a lot of the R&D comes from its F1 experience, so from the front of the bumper towards the rear of the diffuser, entirely throughout the car is used for aerodynamic purposes. Now if you're thinking about procuring yourself one of these units, it's going to set you back around 600,000 Great British pounds overseas, so by the time it comes to Singapore, be prepared to shell out about 4.8 million Singapore dollars. After all, it is a very limited unit with less than 1,000 units made. Now that's it, thanks for watching this launch of the Aston Martin Valhalla. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to us and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of our future uploads, because we can see that some 80% of you guys aren't subscribed to us yet. And also follow us on TikTok, we are at SG Car Mart. Thanks for watching, I'll see you on the next one. Now the name Valhalla refers to the warrior paradise in Norse bumper to the rear diffuser, serves an aerodynamic. In any case, thanks for watching this episode of Aston. If you want to buy this unit, its origin signifying its Norse myth